here in our Strawflower trial, and I'm just going to give a little bit of a demonstration for harvest stage for Strawflower for dried flowers. So Strawflower are great for fresh and for dried, but if you're harvesting them for dried, there's a couple of things to consider. Strawflower will continue to open after they've been harvested and hung to dry. And so what will happen is if they're harvested too mature, this center disc, while it's beautiful and golden right now, will turn just kind of like a pale, muddy brown color after it's been dried, and it's just not as attractive or desirable. So ideally, what you'd end up with a dried flower is where this center disc is still covered. So you can still have the beautiful color of these bracts without sort of the dull brown center. But what makes it tricky is that Strawflowers will open and close every day. And so judging what stage the bloom is at for harvesting can be a little bit tricky. So if you're harvesting in the evening or like on a cloudy, rainy day, all of the blooms may look like they're closed. So we recommend harvesting on a bright, sunny day so you can see the stage that all of the blooms are at. And so I'll, just as a few examples, so anything like this where the center disc is starting to open up and starting to be revealed, that's going to continue opening. That disc is going to be fully exposed once it's hung to dry, and that will continue to fade as the blooms age in your drying room. So these are all probably past what is the ideal harvest stage for drying. I would be looking for something more like where just the first few outer layers of bracts are starting to open up, even something like this, where there's just a few layers, because it will continue to open after you've harvested it and hung it to dry. So I hope that that's helpful. I hope that I can give a little bit of a summary here